I bought this yacht for just $1,700.
It had been left to rot for years. The inside was even worse. Most people would walk away.
But I saw potential. First step, clear everything out.
Now we can see the real damage.
The hull had to be solid.
Years of dirt finally gone.
This part takes patience.
Every flaw gets fixed.
A fresh base changes everything.
It finally starts to look new.
The deck needed love too.
Inside starts coming back to life.
Brightness changes everything.
It finally feels clean.
Safety comes first.
Comfort finally returns.
Clean and simple.
Now it feels alive.
The heart of the yacht.
Almost there.
She floats perfectly.
Time to move.
Worth every effort. From forgotten to floating home. A $1,700 gamble, reborn.